Good morning students. Today in this module we are going to discuss about generations of computers. Evolution of computers can be classified into 5 different generations of computers. With each generation of computers, new and improved technological changes have taken place. The present day computer has evolved after several decades of efforts. The first generation computer. The first generation computers were developed between 1940s to 1958. The features of first generation computers are bulky, expensive, consumed more power, small internal storage, slow in speed. Vacuum tubes were used. For example, ENIAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic, Numerical, Integrator and Computer. UNIVAC. UNIVAC stands for Universal, Automatic Computer. The second generation computer. The second generation computers were developed between 1959 to 1964. The features of second generation computers are smaller and faster than first generation computers, consumed lesser power than first generation computers, less expensive than first generation computers, larger storage capacity. Transistors were used. For example, IBM 1401, IBM 350, RAC 501. The third generation computer. The third generation computers were developed between 1964 to 1970s. The features of third generation computers are smaller in size, faster, less bulky, produced less heat, lesser maintenance. Integrated circuits were used. For example, IBM 360 and 370 series, Apple I. The fourth generation computer. The fourth generation computers were developed between 1971 to present. The features of fourth generation computers are compact, more efficient, less costly, greater storage capacity. Microprocessors are used. For example, Apple Mac, IBM PC, HP 9000. The fifth generation computers, present and beyond. The features of fifth generation computers are very large storage capacity, high processing speed, aims to develop computers that can think, understand and act like humans. It is based on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence are used. For example, Cray, CS300, Param. Students, here is exercise corner. The first question is, IBM 360 is a dash generation computer. Write any 3 features of fifth generation computer. The dash generation of computer is based on artificial intelligence. Who invented modern computer? The last question is, name any 2 fifth generation computers. Note, very first, read the topics very carefully. Find out the answers of these questions from the given topics. Write the answers in your notebook. Thanks for watching.